Hello everyone! This time, let's talk about Curaçao. Curaçao is a small country on an island in the Caribbean Sea. So, what is the history behind this country? Let's discuss now. Curaçao is an island in the southern Caribbean Sea, near the coast of Venezuela. Curaçao includes the main island and the small uninhabited island of Glen Curaçao. It's one of the constituent countries of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. The state capital is Willemstad. The original people of Curaçao are the Arawak and Saiquedo Amerindians. Their ancestors had migrated to the island from the mainland South America, probably hundreds of years before the arrival of the first European. The first European to see the island were members of the Spanish expedition led by Alonso de Ojeda in 1499. The Spanish enslaved most of the Arawak for forced labor in the colony of Hispaniola, but paid attention to the island itself. Throughout the 16th century, they ruled Curaçao as part of a small island in the state of Venezuela, ruling from the mainland before gradually abandoning it as the continent's ongoing colonization progressed. One of the oldest mentioned is in the registry the chief of Caracas, Venezuela major public city. Before you continue this video, please subscribe this channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell. Curaçao was occupied by the Dutch in 1634 along with the island's neighbor Bonaire. During the Franco-Dutch War of 1672 until 1678, Count Jean II de Estoril of France planned an attack on Curaçao. On May 11, 1678, a week after had sailed from St. Kitts, he made a fatal navigation error. To commemorate its narrow escape from the invasion, Curaçao marked a day of Thanksgiving for this event. It has been celebrated for the decades until 18th century. Its prosperity was restored in the early 20th century with the shift of the refined industry from the Central Island to Venezuela newly discovered oilfield service. In 1954, Curaçao and several other parts of the Dutch Caribbean were administered and became the territory of the Netherlands Antilles, part of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. In 2005 and 2009 referendums, Curaçao citizens voted to become an autonomous province within the Kingdom of the Netherlands. The change of status came into effect with the dissolution of the Netherlands Antilles in October 2010. Curaçao became a country within of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, which retained its defense and diplomatic responsibilities. The first minister of Curaçao was Jurassic. His successor was provincially Stanley Betrayed in 2010. In July 2017, Curaçao Prime Minister Eugene Huguenot said he wanted Curaçao to take full responsibility for more cooperators, but asked the Netherlands to provide more support to help Curaçao succeed and improve living standards. Here is a little history of Curaçao. I hope you get to know this country. Thank you for watching. See you later.